Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Freeward over here and maybe on this website and you're wondering, can you make money from this website? How does this actually work? Okay, so Freeward is basically a GPT website. I'm going to review it. How much money can you make? Is it worth your time, or is there better options out there, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out. All right, let's take a look at Freeward. Now, Freeward is basically a GPT website. Get paid to do something, all right? And with GPT websites, there are a few ways that you can earn money. You can download offers, you can take surveys, and you can watch videos. Those are the main ways, all right? So let's go through all three of them and let's find out how much money you can really make with this particular website, right? So first of all, this is available globally, which is nice. Okay, so you can log in, you can see I'm logged in there, Aaron Chen, right? And you can come here to the offer walls. That's the first way you can earn, right? And you can already tell that this is a legitimate website, and I've reviewed a lot of different GPT websites, many websites, and a lot of GPT websites generally work with some other big companies. Okay, so these are all the big offer walls, like AdGate is a legit offer wall, Lootably is very big, Ascend Media is very big, right? Review is very big, Time Wall is very big. So these are all very big offer walls that you can kind of go through, and they offer you different types of offers, all right? Now, the way an offer works is basically, okay, so let's just go to iStudios, for example, the one earlier, right? You would basically have to do something in order for you to get the coins, all right? So it might seem like you're getting a lot of coins. You see it says here up to 10,594 coins, right? But in order for you to get these coins, you have to do a lot of different tasks and jump through a lot of hoops before you can get those coins, all right? So I'll tell you how much the coins are worth later on, right? But for this one, for example, this is a game, okay? It says Doomsday Last Survivors. So in order for you to get this particular offer, you have to play Doomsday and complete tasks within 30 days, new users only. Now, a lot of the time, you have to do a lot of tasks. So, for example, it might say that you have to be a brand new gamer, a brand new user, download the game, and you have to get a certain amount of points, and you have to get to level 20 in order for you to get this offer. All right, so it's possible to do this, but it might take you 1 week to do it. It might take you 2 weeks. It might take you 5 days, right? So if you do all that, then you'll get the 10,000 points right here. So it is a lot of work, okay? That's just an example, right? Some of them are a little bit less, like this one. Look at this, OP surveys, open, register, and complete a survey, and you get 520 coins. All right, and we'll talk about how much you get there. This one's a little bit easier. Play this brain test and earn multiple rewards. You get about 1,000 coins there, okay? This one is get the app and use it for a few minutes. You get 260 coins, all right? And some of them, you know, the more coins they give you, the more difficult it is, right? Look at this one. Play bingo and finish all the tasks with 13 days. So so finish all the tasks, right? So it might be a lot of tasks, all right? So these are how offer walls work. They make you jump through a lot of hoops in order for you to get the coins. Some are easier, some are more difficult, depending on which task you want to complete, okay? Now, you can also take surveys, right? And the nice thing is that they offer a lot of legitimate surveys here. So inline surveys, custom surveys, BitLabs, you know, InBrain, CPX, you know, again, this will be released later on. These are some very big survey companies, and you can come here and fill out these surveys, right? So some of them don't offer that much, you know, 128 coins. This one offers 300 coins. This one offers you know, 384 coins, right? Some of the surveys will take 15 minutes, some will take 30 minutes. A lot of them require you to take pre-qualification questions. So the pre-qualification questions might take you 10 minutes, and then you'll realize that you're not qualified to take that survey. All right, so it really depends on your background and whether you can fill that survey out. So you might waste a little bit of time doing that, but when you complete the surveys, you do get these amount of points, all right? Another thing you can do is watch videos, okay? Now, this seems like a very easy thing to do, but it's not, okay? So Loot TV, Hideout TV, these are very popular, you know, TV watching or video watching websites, right? And the way that Hideout TV works is that you watch a video, basically, for a few minutes, usually 5 minutes, sometimes it's 3 minutes long, and then they show you ads, okay? But for every single video that you watch, you are making only 1/10 of a cent. Okay, so they give you points, but they usually the point equivalent is basically less than 1 cent. It's a tenth of a cent. So you have to watch 10 videos in order for you to make 10 cents. Now, if you do the math on that, okay, it's going to take you a lot of time to even make 1 cent. So it sounds very easy. You just log in and you watch video ads and stuff like that. But they're very clever, okay? You can't watch multiple ads at the same time. You have to watch one, because if you open multiple windows, right, all of them will pause and only one of them will play. So they're pretty clever. They want to make sure people are not gaming the system. And that's also why they pay so little for watching the videos. So you can make money from this, but it's going to be extremely time consuming for you to even make 1 cent. You have to basically watch 10 videos, which might take you, let's just say it's 3 minutes or 4 minutes per video, and you have to watch 10 videos. That's what? That's 40 minutes, and you only make 1 cent. Okay, I hope you understand that they do pay, but it's very, very difficult to earn coins that way. All right, now you can withdraw, okay? And the nice thing about Freeward is that there are a lot of ways you can withdraw your money: through PayPal, through cryptocurrency, a lot of gift cards like Amazon, iTunes. They even have prepaid cards like Visa, okay? A lot of gift cards, Nintendo, Google Play, Fortnite, things like that, right? So how much are the coins worth? All right, so 1,000 coins equals to $1, which is nice because you can withdraw even with a threshold of $1. That means you get 1,000 coins, $1, you can withdraw through PayPal, which is actually the best way, I think, because that means you can use your money, which is pretty cool, okay? Now the big question, how much money can you really make? Okay, now you have to understand that with all GPT websites, they generally operate the same way, as long as they're a legitimate site, because they work with all the same partners, right? So the offer walls are pretty much the same. They work with all of these companies: Lootably, Ascend Media, AdGate. These are all very big offer walls, right? The surveys as well, very, very similar. Okay, custom surveys, InBrain, CPX Research. These are very normal survey websites. So they all pay about the same. All right, so you can see here how much you can make, right? So here, right here, 300 points, this is 30 cents. All right, so this is 38 cents right there. This is 60 cents because 1,000 coins is $1, right? So you can see that for every survey, on average, you'll make about 30 cents to 50 cents. All right, now the offers, they pay you a little bit more potentially, but you have, some of them will take you a very, very long time. I mean, with this one, this might take you 2 weeks. Okay, but you'll get $10 worth. Okay, this one you'll get 52 cents. Okay, so that's good right there. This one you might get $1 here. All right, but as you go, it's, some of them are quite difficult, right? This one you have to finish all the tasks within 21 days, so you might get $5.90, but it might take you 5 days to do this. Okay, so it just depends. So the easiest way to see what people are making, all right, is to check out the leaderboard. Okay, now before I go to the leaderboard, I just want you to understand that generally speaking, with a good GPT site, if you're spending like 2, 3, 4, 5 hours a day on the website, you can earn generally about $1 to $5 per day. All right, so you just understand that that's roughly the amount. But I mean, that's not that much money, because if you're spending 3, 4, 5 hours a day and you're only making $3, you're making less than $1 per hour, which is very, very little money. Okay, but let's take a look at the leaderboard to see what people are making on a monthly basis. That's very important to see. All right, so let me just jump in here. I'm not gonna look at daily, because I think the daily numbers are skewed. Okay, it doesn't really make sense, because the daily numbers are bigger in terms of coins than the monthly. So what I think they've done is they're showing you the daily in terms of ranking, right, the top 10, but I think these coins are the total amount of coins that they've made for the lifetime that they've actually been on the platform. It's not actually how many coins they made that particular day, okay? Because if that's the case, then Farah has made $169 today, but that's not possible on the website, because if you look at the monthly, right, even the monthly guys are making less than the daily guys, which doesn't make sense at all, right? So I think they did that on purpose to make it look like you're making a lot of coins, but actually you're not. So the monthly, right, this is more realistic. So Mike Halland is number 1, and this month he's made 141 coins. So that's $141, okay? But remember, he's number one. So he's probably spending like 15 hours a day on this website, all right? But if you look at the people on average, on what they're making, okay, they're making about 64,000 coins. And this is like, and you know, you're probably not even going to get here. These are people that are spending their entire days on this website, all right? And they're making about $64 a month, because it's $1,000 per coin, right? So how much is that? That's 64 divided by 30. That's about $2 a day, okay? Which is about right, all right? Now, there are 24 days, so that's only 5 days. There are 24 days, so this will probably, you know, add up and go a little bit more than that. But you can generally get an idea of how much the potential is to earn on this website. Maybe it's a little bit more. You know, they might get even up to $10 per day, some of these people, right? But if you do the math on that, $10 per day times 30 days, that's only $300 a month, right? Now, you might be saying, well, $300 a month is quite a lot. Yes, it depends on where you live in the world. So that's what I would say about a GPT style website, right? If you live in a part of the world where $300 a month is life-changing income, then this is a pretty decent way to make money. But you have to understand that these people here, remember, these are the top 10 people in the world, all right? So there are hundreds of thousands of people using this website, which means that some of these people are spending literally like 15 hours a day on the website, just doing all sorts of different stuff, right? So if you're spending 15 hours a day on a website and you're only making $300 a month, you have to ask yourself, is that worth your time, right? Now, if you live in a country where there's no other way for you to make good money, then yes, it's worth your time, right? But for most of you that are watching this video, 15 hours a day and you're only making, you know, $100, $200, $300 a month is not that much money. Okay, so I think for most people, this is not a great way to make money. But can you make money from this website? Sure, you can make, you know, a couple of $100s a month if you're really hustling on the website, right? But it takes a lot of work. So I think it really just depends on who you are. But absolutely, it's legit, it's free. You can download offers, you can fill out surveys, and you can watch videos, okay? So it's a legit way to make money, but I still think that GPT websites don't pay as much as you could potentially earn. So it's good if you want to make a few $100s, but you're spending a lot of time. But if you want to make thousands of dollars online, this is probably not the best way to do that. All right, but if you want, you can check it out, freeward.net. Okay, and you can check it out for free. And this is definitely a way that you can start making money online. If you are watching this video right now, though, and you're looking for a way to make even bigger income, right? Because look, if you're spending 10 hours a day on a website, right, you should be making way more money. You should be making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, not a few $100s a month. If you're spending 10 hours a day, that's a lot of time. That's more time than a full-time job, okay? So if you're spending that much amount of time online, you should be leveraging strategies which will allow you to generate thousands of dollars a month, not hundreds of dollars a month. So if you would like my favorite strategy for a beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and it only takes you 1 to 2 hours per day, and this is leveraging the internet properly, click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy on exactly how you can do that. So this is a cool way to get started, get your feet wet. But I think that, look, if you have a few hours a day online, you should be making thousands of dollars a month, not $100 or $200 or $300 a month. I hope that makes sense, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of Freeward. You can check it out if you want, or you can use my strategy by clicking the link below. And I hope to see you on another video review soon. Take care.